Welcome to my tutorial. Please watch and learn how to calculate the price markup. We have here the example. A computer store used a markup rate of 40%. Find the selling price of a computer game that cost the retailer $25. Before we start, we have to focus on math keywords and for mathematical phrases, and analyze and do the problem in a PRB triangle. P or percentage is for our selling price, and B or base is our original price, and R or rate is our percent. From the word problem, a computer store used a markup rate of 40%. So we will put here the 40% as we can see the sign percent. So we will make it into decimal form. It is 0.40. As we can see, the word used from the statement is markup rate. So it is plus 1. So 0.40 plus 1 equals 1.40. Find the selling price of a computer game that cost the retailer $25. So we will put question mark as we don't know the selling price. Obviously, our original price is $25. Note that in the PRB triangle, we have the formula of P over B, P over R, and R times B. So we will use the formula of R times B, or rate times base. So 1.40 times $25 equals $35. The selling price of a computer game. Another example, an auto mechanic charges at 40% markup based on cost per parts. What would the price be for an air filter that cost him $14.95? What is the amount of his markup on this item? Also remember that percent sign is our rate, and we will put it here. Since it is markup, it is plus 1. We will make it into decimal form, and then we add plus 1. So 0.40 plus 1 equals 1.40. From the word problem, what would the price be for an air filter that cost him $14.95? So obviously, the base is $14.95, so we'll put it here. And the next question is, what is the amount of his markup on this item? So from the word amount of his markup on this item, so it is looking for percentage, we will multiply the rate times base. 1.40 times $14.95 equals $20.93. But we are not finished yet. We have to subtract it from the base. $20.93 minus $14.95 equals $5.98. The amount of his markup on this item. Before I end this video, I will leave an important note. First, focus on math keywords and for mathematical phrases. Second, analyze and draw the problem in the PRB triangle. Third, if markup plus 1, if markdown, it is minus 1. And fourth, convert the rate into decimal form. And fifth, after multiplying the rate and base, the amount will be subtracted to the original price. Thank you for watching!